Hi guys, my name is Arun Kumar and I'm back with another video. I already make so many spy camera videos and I still bring one more to show you guys. This is the new one, which is a mini DV camera, comes in a keychain design. So we will just do the unboxing of this one, and you can use this camera with your car keys, with your home keys, and you want to record someone, you can record with this device. So we will just do the unboxing of this one. Let's just start the video. So guys, this is the main unit, which is a mini DV keychain camera. You can see the packaging of this one. On the back side of the box, all the description of the product is mentioned, that you can use this as a PC webcam camera. The format of the video will be, it's a AVI. It can support 1280 by 920 resolution with the 30 frames per second, and it can support around 32 GB MicroSD card. So let's just open the box. This is the main unit, the camera, the keychain camera. Comes with the cable and the manual. The manual is in a Chinese and English, so before using this one, you have to read this manual carefully so you can understand the operations of the camera, which I will show you myself also. This is the main unit, the keychain camera. It looks like a complete keychain. So what are the main features of this one? This is a lens. There is a MicroSD card slot. Here is a microphone, and this is a mini USB connection for the charging. You have to charge this camera around 45 minutes, and you can use this camera around 2.5 hours according to the manual which is mentioned. And on the top you will see the power button, and this is the camera mode button. Before going to start how to operate this camera, I will tell you most important thing of this camera, that this camera support 4 different modes. First mode is a video recording, second mode is a pictures, third mode is a voice recorder, and fourth mode is a motion detection. So before starting this one, we have to use this microSD card slot, which is a 32 GB. We just need to insert in this one, and now we will start how to operate this camera. We just insert the 32 GB microSD card. So we will just start with the video recording. You just need to press the power button. Once you will see the red light, now the video mode is on. If you want to start the video recording, you just need to press the power button one time only, like this. Once you will see the red light is flashing, it means right now this camera is recording. And if you want to stop the recording, you just need to press one more time. Now it will stop the recording. Now this is a first mode. Now we are going to the second mode, picture mode. You just need to press the camera button here, the second one. Once you will press, the red light will be in a blue. Now the picture mode is active. If you want to take the pictures, you just need to press the power button like this. Now this camera just took the picture. If you want to take another picture, press one more time. Now it's taking the picture. Now there is a third mode. You have to, if you want to record something without taking pictures or video, there is a microphone also available. You just need to press the camera button one more time. You will see there is a red and blue light. Now the voice recorder mode is active. So if you want to start the voice recording, you just need to press the power button. Now the voice recording mode is started. Now whatever we are talking, it's recording inside this camera. If you want to stop the voice recording, you just need to press the power button one more time. Now it's stopped the voice recording. Now there is a fourth mode, which is the most important mode, which is a motion detection function. You just need to turn off the camera first. Now the camera is turned off. Now we have to activate the voice motion detection function in this one. Press the power button. Once you will see the red light, just leave it. There is a second button, press for the 5 seconds. Once you will see the red and blue light is flashing, it means the motion detection function is activated. So if you want to record someone when you are not inside the house. If you want to hide this camera, just press this button and leave it. It will start the motion detection function of this camera, and whenever someone is passing near to the camera, it will start the recording. So this is the main features of this camera. Now I will show you the result of this camera, how is the video quality and how is the picture quality of this camera. So guys, you saw the result of the camera. I think the result is quite fair enough because the price is only $27 and you can use this camera for the multiple use as well. So this was the review of the camera. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section, and if you want to buy this camera, the link is inside the description. And if you want to share with your friends this video, you can also share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is Arun Kumar signing off. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.